Hey travelers, welcome back to Points to Wonderlist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer points from your American Express membership rewards to Virgin Atlantic. So I literally just got off the phone with my mom and she was like, oh, I found this Delta flight to Atlanta. She's going to a Pinners conference. And she was like, I found this Delta flight to Atlanta for $418. That's a really good price. And I was like, wait, $418 from Richmond to Atlanta? I'm sure I could do better. Let me check the points out. So I'm going to show you the process that I go through when I'm checking for flights, specifically thinking about Delta and trying to find those Delta flights a little bit cheaper. So right now I am logged into the Delta website and I'm going to go ahead and put in my information or my mother's travel information. And for the day, I'm going to do one ways because I'm going to be booking with points. She gave me the flight times that she wants, so let's see if I can actually get those flight times that she wants. I don't know. But we definitely want to just make sure that we're not using a ton of points. So I always start with Delta. So they're telling me it is going to be 16,000 points. That's like the cheapest one they have. That's in basic economy. I do not book basic economy because I'm always trying to earn points. So this flight is 18,700. So these are the two that I'm looking at for her. 18,700. That's not bad, but I have to book two flights. So we know that we have a 552 and then a 739. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Virgin site to see what they have. I'm going to Virgin because they code share and you can book some of the Delta flights on Virgin. So now you're looking at my Virgin account. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and search for reward travel. So she's going to be going from Richmond to Atlanta. We're going to do one ways again, and we're going to do April 24th. And go ahead and search that. Just waiting for it to load. All right, so we are looking at April 24th. And so we see a 540 that lands at 7:30 and you're flying on Delta. Well, that's at 5:40 a.m. We definitely don't want that. But we have this 7:39 and you're flying on Delta. And then this is the 5:52 that we're flying on Delta. So I'm just going to go back to the Delta site really quickly. And so now you can see both of these flights that you see on Delta are on Virgin Atlantic. And because there's a transfer bonus, it makes more sense for me to go ahead and book one of these because I'm going to be using less miles. It's main cabin, so she'll get a snack. She gets everything that she would get if she was flying on Delta. I know I don't have enough points, and that is perfectly okay. So it's 7,500 Virgin points and 560. This is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and book this flight. So the first thing I'm going to need to do in order to book the flight now that I've found it is actually go into my American Express account. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my American Express account because I need to transfer the points from my American Express Gold. That is the card that I have that allows me to transfer points out. I need to transfer those points from that account to my Virgin Atlantic account. So what you do is once you log in, you're going to click on rewards and benefits. So I went to rewards and benefits to get here, showing you how many points I have, how I've been spending my points. I'm going to go to earn and redeem, scroll down to transfer points. As you can see, here are all of the different airlines and hotels that you can transfer. And then you see Virgin, and we see that bonus. So I'm going to hit show details, and I want to transfer 6,000. That'll give me 8,400 Virgin points. Or let's see, if I do 5,000, I'm not going to have enough. So 6,000. I'm assuming her flight back is probably going to be about the same price, 7,500. So I'm going to need 13,000 points. So let's see if I can get 11,000. 10,000. Should have done this in my head before we did all this. So I'm going to transfer 10,000 points over to Virgin. It's also showing you my Virgin account number. Now I'm going to hit review transfer and submit transfer. Once, because what I didn't want to do is like transfer just for the first flight and then have to transfer again, because sometimes they'll like stop it in the middle. All right, so we're done here. I'm going to go back to my Virgin account. And when I refresh, we should see my points. So let's refresh. All right, so at the top now you see all of my points are here. We have her 552 landing at 751 via Delta. So I'm going to go ahead and book this for my mother. If you have any questions about what I did, let me know. One of the other good things you want to do is Virgin Atlantic has a partnership with Rakuten, and so I can earn 1% cash back, which I just activated on my purchase. Not going to be a ton, but I get membership rewards, so American Express points for every single time I activate Rakuten. And so this is how you transfer points from American Express to use their deal, in addition to how you find your points or how you find flights on Virgin Atlantic when you want to fly Delta, because oftentimes it is going to be cheaper. If you have questions, let me know in the comments.